South Delhi, scene one, shot one, take one.
A Midnight in South Delhi is a fun ride of situations failing to happen. Title is A Midnight in South Delhi is something in itself that brings curiosity. You become very inquisitive to comprehend कि exactly है क्या ये. So it is a rom-com story and which is about a guy who is coming from a small town and a girl who is living in South Delhi. They get to know each other. They actually do not get to know each other. They just meet in a club in a night and the rest of things follow.
What?
अरे धीरे बोलो यार, ऊपर अंकल आंटी जग जाएंगे वरना।
पूरा खानदान रहते हैं क्या?
I think this is the film that Gen Z is moreover gonna relate to. When I got the narration of the film, I was so confident that this is gonna work. This film is going to attract so many youth, so many Gen Z youth, I would say. So when Sir gave us the narration, I really liked the film, the concept that is going in our society these days.
Hi, my name is Nikhil.
Shut up. I don't want to know your name. Do you want to fuck?
What?
Do you want to fuck?
I know someone who had this beautiful experience, what the story of South Delhi talks about. So that was the inspiration behind it and I wanted to make a rom-com and found that idea very fascinating. I thought कि ये idea, this is something that people will be able to relate, they will be able to understand. So we as a kid, we learn to, love someone or to, understand what love looks like or feels like from the films like कल हो ना हो, कुछ कुछ होता, DDLJ, मोहब्बतें. But when we grew up, प्यार बिल्कुल वैसे नहीं हो रहा था. And I'm especially talking about the metropolitan cities like Delhi, Mumbai. तो यहाँ पे जो कहानियाँ हैं, love stories है, they are quite different. जो हमने फिल्मों में देखा, फिल्मों में सीखा, उससे तो बिल्कुल ही अलग था. So I had the script and when I gave the narration to my team, they also liked it and they were able to relate to it. They were like, हाँ हाँ हमें भी पता है ऐसा कुछ हुआ था. And they also started, coming up with their stories that they know. So I found that it's a nice idea that we can make a film on it because it's a rom-com and my challenge was to, portray the film and the story in a way जहाँ पे dialogues funny नहीं हो. The character is not trying to do the comedy. My idea was to create this situation and subject my characters to such situations and then I just wanted to understand how do they react to. So what I did, as the story talks about the two strangers, how they meet and how they make a deal that we are not going to talk about any personal stuff. I do not know to anything about you. So Nikhil's character was coming from a small town and recently he was ditched by his girlfriend. So he was heartbroken, he was lonely and somehow he was fascinated to the nightlife of Delhi. He was quite excited, quite curious to know how it happens and he just got lucky when he met Maisha there and Maisha was frustrated in her current relationship so she wanted to bounce back basically or maybe she wanted to get over. So she finds Nikhil as a tool and Nikhil found Maisha as something that he wants to make friendship with. So they were two very different perceptions. They collide with each other and then they fall prey to such situation that creates humor, that creates situation. So there my challenge was not to keep any dialogues and I had to control my actors that you do not have to do the comedy. You just be true to your characters, you understand your character, you perform and it will happen automatically. I wanted the process to be very organic. So that's why I did not make Nikhil and Maisha meet before we started shooting. So on the very first day of shoot they met and क्योंकि जो पहला sequence था उसके अंदर ऐसा था कि they are completely strangers. So I wanted कि वो जो एक awkwardness होती है, वो जो एक न्यूनेस होती है वो बनी रहे. So वो पहली बार सेट पे मिले थे and उस शूट के टाइम पे it was great experience working with Pulkit and Vaishali. They really brought life to the characters of Nikhil and Maisha respectively. My team was also much better than the previous projects because we had worked in 2 films before that, so our bonding went really well. We were able to perform better and faster. कुछ जो shoots थे वो बहुत गोरिल्ला स्टाइल था, जैसे कि वो कार सीक्वेंस है, टैक्सी वाला सीक्वेंस है, वो बहुत गोरिल्ला स्टाइल हुआ. कुछ experiences बहुत अच्छे हुए because there were lots of improvisation on the set, even in terms of dialogues, even in terms of situation. They got modified on the set only. So it was a great experience working with all of them. Radhika, Kunal, Areman, Shubham, Anurag, Raina, everyone was so good. They all were knowing their job exactly what they needed to do. So the process was really smooth and it was full of fun. Ready? Roll camera. Rolling. Action.
पूरा खानदान रहता है क्या? और तुमने मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया?
बोल तो रहा था, तुम सुनी का
अरे तुम क्यों आपने बता देते?
तुमने मना कर दिया था, मैं बता रहा था. You said.
So after getting the narration of the film, we decided for the character sketch. It came out to be that the boy Nikhil, who is from a very small town, has recently shifted to a metropolitan city. And he's adjusting, he's fascinated with the concept of clubbing, nightlife. So he was exploring that. And if we talk about the character of Maisha, she is the girl who is born and brought up in Delhi. So she's typically South Delhi girl. So while deciding their clothing, attires and outfit, I decided to go Maisha with a very bold and bold colors with perfect little dress for her character. So we decided to go with a red and black theme for her character sketch. And if we talk about the Nikhil character, Nikhil wore a very decent kind of shirt. So we tried to convey the message from her outfit and clothing was that he is from a very small town. He's very sophisticated, very introvert kind of guy. So we kept his colors more into beige, brown and white. The shooting experience was very amazing, especially when we went for the clubbing. People were going crazy that, is he an actor? Who is he? They were asking, where's the film? What are you guys shooting? So it was very amazing to capture those people who were from the crowd, just two of them, and exploring.
My experience on working the set of Midnight in South Delhi was fine. For me, it was a very new experience because I had to do something which I hadn't done before, especially with the intimate scenes. And I think everybody on the crew was very supportive, including the editors and DOPs and the ADs and producers and directors. I liked the script. I told, just like I told, I liked the script of the film, but I wasn't sure how it's gonna end up, and I wasn't sure how I will be in the film. But because the director saw that in me, and I was confident that I will be able to do it, so I went ahead with it. It was a new thing. I did not know what kind of experience it's gonna be for me, but as I went ahead, I realized it's not a very big of a perk. It's not what people, non-actors think it is. It's a very serious thing. It's like any other job. You do it, you go in and you come out. Working with Prince, yeah, it was really fine. I don't remember much of it, what happened on the set, but the things that happened, like a few of them which I remember is the pre-scene workshop, which was very good. And he was very calm through the film. Said like there were moments when we had to rush because we had some trouble with the authorities where we were shooting, but he and along with Radhika handled it very smoothly, which is a commendable job.
Midnight in South Delhi was a great experience, one of a kind. उसमें कुछ ऐसे challenges थे जो हमने on set किए, like there was this particular sequence जहाँ पे actors के साथ साथ हमें ऊपर stage के ऊपर जाना था, and that particular thing Prince Bhai gave us the idea कि उसे कैसे shoot करना है. अगर वो BTS में आप देख पाएं तो you'll know the adventure behind the scenes, and it was a great experience. उसके अलावा हमें जैसे ऑन द स्पॉट लाइटिंग के कुछ जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना फिल्म मेकिंग टैक्टिक्स, वो ऑन द स्पॉट जो हमने किए हैं वो आप शायद देख पाएंगे. सो ये मैंने आपको ज़रा लाइटिंग के बारे में बताया. इसके अलावा कुछ ऐसे भी चैलेंजेस थे जो हमें ऑन सेट जब सीन शुरू होने वाला है तब एक्टर से एक पर्टिकुलर सीन था जो हो नहीं पा रहा था. अब आई डोंट नो व्हाट वाज द रीज़न बिहाइंड, बट वहाँ पे फिर प्रिंस भाई आए और उन्होंने एक ऐसा ब्रीफ दिया कि जो वो शाइनेस थी, जो एक पर्दा था जो अपने कैरेक्टर से हटाना चाह रहे थे, वो हटा और फिर हमें वो फाइनल शॉट मिला जिसकी हमें तलाश थी. इसके अलावा जो क्लब वाला सीन अगर आप देखेंगे वो इतने केओस में इतना सही हुआ है, एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू प्रिंसेस डायरेक्शन जो उन्होंने उस वक्त इतने स्मूथली कामली वो निकाला. एंड देयर वाज अ बज़, जैसे ही वो शॉट खत्म हुआ तो देयर वाज अ बज़ कि यहाँ पे कुछ शूटिंग चल रही है. सो द गैदरिंग वाज आल्सो like remarkable at that time, and the way they handled, the team handled under the guidance of him was commendable. तो जो ब्रीफ हमें दिया गया था वो बहुत सिंपल था yet complex. जब उसका एग्जीक्यूशन की बारी आए हमें ये कहा गया था कि ओवर द लाइन ना जाए, हम एक कोई लाइन क्रॉस ना करें ताकि चीज़ें जो भी हों वो एस्थेटिकली करेक्ट लगें, अच्छी लगें, और कुछ भी ऐसा ना लगे जो मतलब हम नहीं चाह रहे, ओवर एग्जैजरेटेड परफॉर्मेंस ना निकल के आए. तो बहुत हमें नपीतुली परफॉर्मेंस अपने एक्टर से करवानी थी. हम साथ ही साथ ट्रिपल शॉट थे जहाँ पे मेन में प्रिंस भाई देख रहे थे और उसी के साथ साथ हमें फिलर शॉट लेने थे जो साइमल्टेनियसली चल रहे थे. उसमें मैं और बाकी टीम मेंबर्स भी, तो हमें सिंपल सा एक ब्रीफ दिया गया था. So the experience was filled with like adventure, as I earlier stated, कि वहाँ पे हम रात में शूट कर रहे थे. एंड द लर्निंग फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग वाज कि हम जितना किसी चीज़ को सिंपल चाहते हैं वो उतनी होती नहीं है. एंड वी हैव टू बी ऑन द टॉप ऑफ अवर टोज टू मेक थिंग्स हैपन, टू मेक थिंग्स beautifully presentable on the screen. And hats off to Prince Bhai's direction जो उन्होंने हमें दिया. And it was a learning opportunity for me. So hats off and kudos to the team.
Amit directed South Delhi, scene 1, shot 1, take 1.
हाँ, तो पहले नरेशन हुआ था. नरेशन के बाद हम रैगी पे गए. रैगी पे जाके हमने लोकेशन पे देखा कि कौन सा सीन सबसे बेस्ट कहाँ बैठेगा. तो एक गाड़ी वाला सीन था जिसमें एक्टर्स पीछे बैठे थे, ड्राइवर सीट पे ड्राइवर था. जिस सीट पे बैठ के मैं शूट कर रहा था उस सीट पे एक बंदा और था. मतलब कैमरा शेक होने से जो मैंने कंट्रोल करा. लाइट की प्रॉब्लम थी, मतलब रोड पे चल रहे हैं तो बीच बीच में लाइट आ रही है, गाड़ियों की लाइट आ रही है, उस लाइट को कंट्रोल करना. फिर अंदर से हमने लाइट ऐड करी है अलग से. क्लब वाला सीन था तो बहुत भीड़ थी वहाँ पे, तो हमें फोकस दोनों एक्टर्स पे करना था. आपको पता है क्लब में कितनी भीड़ होती है, नॉइस की प्रॉब्लम, बेस की प्रॉब्लम, वो शूट करना भी मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था. और मैंने उसको शूट करा, अच्छा सा शूट करा.
जब स्टोरी का मैं नरेशन मिला तो कहानी बहुत अच्छी लगी मुझे. आज के जो हमारी जनरेशन है वो इससे ज़्यादा रिलेट कर पाएगी जो आजकल दुनिया में चल रहा है. फिर हम प्री प्रोडक्शन पे बैठे, हमने काफ़ी कुछ करा, उसमें कास्टिंग करी. कास्टिंग में कई सारी दिक्कतें, हमें एक्टर्स नहीं मिल रहे थे जो हमें कैरेक्टर्स चाहिए था एक्टर से. फिर हमें आखिरकार 2 एक्टर्स मिल गए जो हमें कैरेक्टर में, हमारे जो कैरेक्टर में फिट बैठ रहे थे.
जब मैं सर से मिला, सर ने मुझे ये म्यूज़िक के बारे में बताया इस मूवी के लिए, तो मुझे पता चला कि इस पे लव, एडवेंचर, एक्साइटमेंट वाला फील देना है. तो मैंने उसके लिए थोड़ा म्यूज़िक बनाया और वहाँ का साउंड डिज़ाइनिंग पे काम किया और सर को भी बहुत पसंद आया. ये फिल्म यूथ को बहुत पसंद आने वाला है क्योंकि ये यूथ के लिए बना है और यंगस्टर्स लोगों को बहुत पसंद आने वाला है. इस पे हमने म्यूज़िक लगाया बहुत मॉडर्न टेक्नो EDM सा, जब क्लब पे होते हैं क्लब वाला वाइब है उस मूवी पे. और थोड़ा रोमांटिक सीन्स भी है तो उसके हिसाब से रोमांटिक म्यूज़िक लगाया हमने.
Shooting the entire part of the club was very amazing as it was looking so organic to shoot those 2 people within the crowd. So I would say it was very amazing experience and I thoroughly enjoyed the process from pre-production to the post-production. I hope you guys would like it too. Thank you.
Yeah, man.